Hello class, I am here. Now we will be doing the exercise part of lesson 1, that was poem The Squirrel. We are on page number 11. The first is choose the correct answers. The squirrel climbs up a tree. The second is the squirrel's tail is as broad as snail. Third one, from the tree top the squirrel scampers to the ground. The squirrel supper is in a shell. So these are the correct answers. You have to just copy down in your book, not in the copy. In the copy we will be writing only the meanings which are given on page number 10 and the question answers which I will be giving you in this video. Then come to the next page, that is page number 12. In page number 12, this A part, a few words in the poem sound like the action they show. Spot them. Here the animals and the babies are there. What you have to do is you have to just see the animals and who the babies, their babies are called as what. Only this much you have to do on the page number 12. Now come up to page number 13. In page number 13, match these animals with their babies. Now what you have to do? Match the animals with their babies. Goat, kid, deer, fawn, goose, gooseling, sheep, lamb. Got it everyone? You can by the picture only you can identify and you can match it. Now in the C part, underline the common letters in these pairs of words. Practice saying them aloud. Now what you have to see? You have to see what are the common letters. You have to see the common letters. Whiskey, frisky. Then snapty, crackty, tree, free. In these three, whiskey, frisky, IS is the common. You have to underline it. Snapty, crackty is ITY. You can see that. Tree, free, REE. The things which are common you have to underline it. The letters. Furly, curly. URLY is common. TAIL, tail. SNAIL, snail. The common letters is AIL. Ground, sound. OUND. Got it? Now come to the last part, that is in the last part what you have to do is which word end in the sound of U here in the word bound, which word end in the sound of U here in the male. There are two questions asked from this box. I will be just pronouncing for you. Found, round, bale, fail, snail, sound, hound, tail. Now with the bound word we are just able to see the found word. The sound is very much clear and they are very much similar. Then which word end in the sound you hear in the word male? You can see snail, bale, tail and fail. You just write it in the book only, not to write in copy. Got it everyone? Now come up to the next one, that is page number 14. In page number 14, circle the letter I in these words. Say the words aloud. You have to circle the letter I in all the words given here. Ink, India, sit, frisky, snapty, crackty. Can you see that? You have to just circle the letter I. Now come to the next one. Read these words aloud. Underline the common words. Frisky, free, frown, afraid. Here what we have to do, underline the common words. We have to underline the common words. Frisky, free. Frown, afraid. R. R sound is the common sound in these words. Then here are some words given. What we have to do is, we have to see the picture and we have to recognize the picture and you have to write the spelling. The first one, can you see it? Tree, T-R-E-E. Here it is green, that is G-R-E-E-N. Bread, B-R-E-A-D, bread. Crow, C-R-O-W, crow. Snake, S-N-A-K-E, snake. Sixth, last one is scale, S-C-A-L-E, scale. Now come to the next page, that is page number 16. Here only this one, H part. Now look at the picture and complete these lines. One has been done for you. As brave as lion, as busy as bee, this is a honey bee. As cool as cucumber, it is a cucumber, can you see that? Then eat like a bird, move like a snail. So here we have ended up with the exercise part. Now come here with the question answers. I will be reading the question for you and then you have to copy the question from the book that is given on page number 11 and 12, and answers I have given it in this video. Question 1 is, pick out the word from the poem that talk about how the squirrel moves. Now the answer is, the word which tells us about the squirrel moves are whisky frisky, full of energy, whirly twirly, rotation, scampers, runs quickly. So these are the three words which I can see in which the squirrel moves are being shown. Then question number 2 is given on page number 12. Which color would you use to describe the squirrel? The color of a squirrel can be grey, black and sometimes white also. Some few white hairs you can see on the squirrel. Now come to question number 3. List words from the poem that you like. Would you like them? The third is, answer is, the word which I like are. This question is a little bigger because I can see few words which are related to that. The answer is frisky, playful and full of energy. I like this because children are always in a mood to play and filled with energy. Supper and evening snacks, I like this because we all like to have some good snacks in the evening too. So I like these two words. So this is the answer for answer number 3. Now you please copy down the meanings and the question answers in the copy, that is of 4-line copy. You have to write it. Please write the date, write the lesson number, the name of the lesson, and then you start with the meanings and the question answers. Okay, till then, bye bye.